Hey everyone, ever wonder how you can browse the internet securely and privately, even on public Wi-Fi? Well, let me introduce you to the superhero of internet privacy, the Virtual Private Network, or VPN. A VPN is essentially a secure bridge between your device and the internet. Imagine sending your private letters through a series of locked, tamper-proof tubes. It's somewhat like that, but for your digital data. Let's break it down. First up, encryption. When you connect through a VPN, your data gets encrypted. This means it's scrambled into a code that only your VPN server knows how to decode. Think of it like turning your readable data into a secret language that only you and your friend, the VPN, understand. Even if someone intercepts your data, all they see is gibberish. Next, we have tunneling. This part is cool. Your encrypted data is wrapped up in additional data packets, creating a secure tunnel for your information. It's like putting your data in a vault and then putting that vault in a tank. Double protection. Now let's talk about the remote server. Your data travels to a VPN server, which could be anywhere in the world. Here it's decrypted and sent off to its final destination on the internet. This server acts as your digital proxy. By doing this, not only is your data secure, but your real IP address is hidden, effectively masking your identity and location online. Why does this matter? Well, it's all about privacy and security. With a VPN, you can keep your browsing habits private and secure your personal information from prying eyes, especially on unsecured networks like public Wi-Fi. Plus, it comes in handy if you need to access region-restricted content, like that one show you can't watch locally because of where you live. In a nutshell, VPNs provide a necessary layer of security and anonymity that is crucial in today's digital age. Whether you're just checking emails at a cafe or streaming videos at home, a VPN ensures that your online activities stay private and secure. So next time you're about to connect to that sketchy airport Wi-Fi, remember to turn on your VPN. Safe browsing, folks! And that's it. That's how VPNs protect your online activities. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay safe online, and I'll catch you in the next video.